In today's video, I'll teach you how to recover deleted emails in Gmail. So if you accidentally deleted some important email and if you want to recover it, it is actually very simple. When you delete the email on Gmail, it will not disappear. It will go to the trash folder. So what you have to do is simply click on the more option that you can see at the left. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option trash. Now you'll be led to the trash folder. You'll be able to see all the emails that you've deleted over here. The deleted emails will be stored over here for 30 days. After that, it will be automatically deleted. So what you have to do is simply click on the email that you would like to recover. Now after you do that, look at top. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this icon, move to. Now what you have to do is click on this option inbox that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, those emails will be moved to the inbox. You can simply go to the inbox and you'll be able to see that particular email over here. But unfortunately, if your email disappear from the trash folder, you do not have to worry. There's still one thing that you can try. So for that, what you have to do is go to new tab. Click on the search bar and type in Gmail message recovery tool. Press enter. Now you'll be able to see the link provided by Google Help itself. Click on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. So what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to confirm your account information. Click on this option continue. Now after you do that, wait for a while. It is not guaranteed that this process will work, but if you're lucky enough, you'll be able to see the email that you have deleted more than 30 days ago over here. So like this, you'll be able to recover them. So that is how you recover deleted emails on Gmail. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.